Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix this message that comes up when you try to open your Adobe Illustrator program. This unlicensed Adobe app is not genuine and will be disabled soon. Okay, before I show you how to fix this one, I want to recommend it to you guys. So try to use the genuine Adobe apps, so it will be good for you and you will have access to all good features that can help you to design almost each and everything you want in a comfortable way. So it's my honest advice to you guys. Okay, so I'll just leave this window like this one. I'll open virus and click protection. From there, I'll just go to firewall and network protection. Yes, come here to advanced setting and I'll click this advanced settings, and after clicking this one, it's not going on here, but it opened this another window here, and here you can find there is inbound rules and outbound rules. So I'll just click inbound rules and I'll go directly to add new rule. So I'll come here and I'll add new rule. I'll create a rule for the program. So I leave this one selected and I just click next, and they need me to write the path for the program. So I'll just come here to window and I come here to my Adobe Illustrator 2025. I'll just right click it, open up this. So I just go to more and I open file location. This is just a shortcut. So I'll also right click again and I open file location again. So this is the application where now I have to copy this path and paste to that small window where I can go on. So I'll just right click here, I go to properties and here location. So I'll just select this one and I'll right click and I copy this path. So I'll come here back to this window. I'll just hit Ctrl V to paste it, but they have provided here the example of the path that I have to write. So I must write a program at the end of my path. So I'll add more slash like this one and I write now Illustrator. This one, it has just came like that, Illustrator. I'll just click next from here. I'll allow the connection, allow connection. No, I just click block connection, block the connection. So I go next, I'll tick here, tick also here, tick also here. Next name, so I write here Adobe 2025, then I finish. Okay, I'll come here again and I'll go now to outbound rules and I do the same thing. I'll add new rule program. So okay, this program pass, I'll paste the same path and I'll do the same. So I'll just add slash, I write here Illustrator, it comes up, yes, like that, and I just click next, flow connection, next, next, name, session 25, finish. Yes, we are done. And after here now, so I'll just restart my computer. I restart it and we can see what will happen. I've just started my computer and I want to launch again the Adobe Illustrator program and see if we have solved the problem. I hope the message will not come again. Let us see, let us see, let us see, let us see. Wow. You can see now our program has just opened without any message like that. Let us try to create maybe a new file and see. Okay, I'll just select maybe something like this and just create and see. Super, there's no that kind of message again, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. So just click the subscribe button for more videos like this. Don't forget to use the genuine Adobe Illustrator for the best performance. See you guys. Bye bye.